Hello and good morning. I received my Wantable Sleep and Body Box and I want to show you what I got. So this one is, like it sounds, sleep and body, mostly pajamas. In my last months I got some bras and underwear. This time I requested warm jammies. So here's what I got. First thing, and actually I'm really excited about this, some super thick over the knee socks. Seems like an odd thing, right? But actually I think this would be perfect for the sleep loungewear that I just got at Costco. I'll post the video on that for sizing, because if this is in your size, you need to go get it. So these would be amazing with this, so fingers crossed. Okay, next up, some really cute jammy sets. This one, soft, long sleeves, kind of has like a little sweatshirt detail. Time to wind down. Super cute, super soft, and what does it come with? Some cute little jogger style gray jammy pants with wine all over them. Those totally have my name all over it, don't they? So cute. Nice good pockets too. Okay, what else do we have in here? Now this is lovely. Sofa Love, is that the name? Oh no, the name is Pour Moi. Fancy French. Beautiful jersey knit cotton robe with some lace detail, long sleeves. In the photo, it looks like this has a really nice flattering fit. Cotton, stretchy. Looking forward to trying that. That could be a really good staple. Next up, ooh, we have, oh, and I've heard about these. Have you heard about these? It's cross between a bra and a cami. So, which means they call it, is it brami or brammy? So is it like brami like bra or brammy like cami? Maybe it depends on how it fits, right? So I'm looking forward to trying this. Oh, and this is by Free People, which is one of my favorite brands. I might be not young enough for this, but we'll try it. I love that color. It looks so comfy and so stretchy. And really not a bad deal for $28 if that works as a comfy bra. Not bad at all. Okay, what do we have here? Ooh, this is lovely. A beautiful blue pajama set. Dreamy soft. Some nice detail. Those sleeves look super long, don't they? Important for tall girls. Ooh, and these are just dreamy soft. It almost feels like modal or something. Really soft fabric. Cute jogger style pants. Okay, and the last in here is another outfit. This is the fancy one. Usually most of what I choose is more affordable. And they surprise me with things in all different areas. This brand is Richer Poorer, which definitely looks like, I bet you would find this at Nordstrom, if I were to guess. The fabric though, I don't know if you can tell, is amazing. I am so looking forward to trying this on. It's just kind of like an oversized type sweatshirt and some really like baggy-ish jogger style pants with buttons and details, but something about this fabric tells me it would be amazing. Really big pockets. This is definitely high end. You would wear this and tell your butler to bring you tea. Okay guys, I'll do a quick try on. Okay, first thing I'm trying on is those super long over the knee socks. These are actually amazing. I have shorts on under my loungewear, don't worry. They're like super thick sweaters. They're kind of fairly loose, but enough to stay up. I would think these would be absolutely amazing if you sleep in a nightgown or shorts and you want to put something on a little cozy in the morning. So I'm 5'10". While I do have more of a slender build, I would think these would work for, like, look how much room there is if you had bigger calves. Yeah, these are so cool. All right, here's the, I think they called it wind down jammy set. I think it's pretty cute. I actually really like where the top hits. It comes in just enough to be flattering, but loose and comfy. All right, this one is pretty cute. It's that little cotton-ish robe. I don't think it's cotton, but it feels cotton. I think it would be really cute, like thrown over like old riding jammies, and it would really dress them up and make you look fancy, like you know what you're doing. Okay, this one is pretty dreamy. It is the modal fabric, which is one of my favorite fabrics, which is why I was able to say I think this is modal. It is like dreamy soft, super, super soft. This fabric wears very, very well and lasts like forever and always looks good, washes and dries well. That's why I like modal. And it like flows and hangs nice. It's flattering. Also, check this out. Look how long this is. I'm 5'10". Look at, these are so long. So long. I really like this one. Okay, here is the Richer Poorer brand. This is the one with like this super, really cool fabric. So here it is. It is a cute little two-piece set. This is definitely something you would lounge around in. Have the butler bring you some muffins. Please use the Versace plates this time. Yeah, I like it. It's cute. I like the color. Good pockets. It does. It has a really good feel. It definitely screams quality. Okay, you guys, that was it. My light died before I could post the Brammy. Maybe it was trying to tell me something, but see if I care. I will post a video in this. Doesn't bother me one bit. Sorry if it bothers you. Anyway, I'm gonna try to decide. Help me out. What would you get? It's hard to decide. When my hubby signed up for a Wantable box using my referral, he got $25 off his. So I will leave my code down there if you want to check it out. Also, I'm gonna leave my video to my Costco $5 thing I was wearing earlier because it is amazing. And I just got it yesterday. So I think you should get one of those.